Going to show you how to use Postman with Node.js, just because I ran into a slight issue and I wanted to actually show you how to get over this issue. So as we can see here, I have a Node.js API that I've created. Uh, Essentially, what you have to do is you have to input this data, and then it will take that data and put it in my MongoDB database, right? So this is a local database. So just to make sure everything's working, let's just try to retrieve data. And yep, as you can see, we've been able to retrieve data. Now, as you can see, hey, this data here, it doesn't have a given name, family name, or email. So the way this happened is this actually happened while I was trying to post data. So I'll show you exactly what I did. So upon trying to post data, so given name, family name, and email. So Eddie Johnson at eddiejohnson.com. So when I try to do this, when I was trying to post the data, this happened. Now, if we go back to retrieve, if we go back to get, um, so we've added a new one, but again, the parameters have been lost. So essentially, what's happening here is it's not picking up the parameters. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first thing we need to do is we need to create a new collection. We can name this collection anything. So I'm just gonna name it new collection. Okay, so we have to make a few changes. So in the header, yep. So this is already added, which is good. In the header, we have to add content type, application.json. So the way you add that is content type, and then application, and essentially, yep. So we don't need to add that because that's already been added. And instead of inputting the data, so instead of it writing it up here or writing it in params, so instead of doing that, what we're gonna do is we're going to put the data in raw. So essentially, usually this starts on text, but instead we're gonna use JSON. So if you remember, with JSON, we have to do it in this way. So just give me a second and let me input the data. Okay. So we're just gonna copy and paste this, copy and paste this, and then copy and paste this. And then we're gonna write down the same name, which was Eddie Johnson. Oops, misspelled Johnson there. Eddie Johnson. And then it will be Eddie at johnson.com. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna post the data to the API. And then if we post this data, it should work. And here we have the data posted. So just to be 100% sure that that worked, we're actually going to get the data. So, and here it is, Eddie Johnson. Now with this API, I can actually just delete the data of this. So yeah, it is annoying to have that, but we can actually just delete that. That's okay. But yeah, essentially, so that's how you do it. You'll get stuck. Yep, data has been successfully deleted. Let's do the get request again to delete the final one. Oh, wait, what the? Oh, right. This is because I did not. Yeah, sorry, that is my fault. And it should be this one. And we should delete this one as well. And that's how you stop your parameters from not going through. Alright, that's the video. Thank you very much.